Okay, this is the last part of this assignment, and it's going to be easy peasy because you've already done parts of it. And here's what I want you guys to do. So we read our drama about the tortoise and the hare. We talked about the conflict that happens in the beginning. Remember, we showed our little roller coaster going up the hill, the conflict that happens in the beginning. Then we talked about the climax in the middle, and then you wrote the resolution at the bottom. Now I want you to get out your journals. Get out your journals, and on a page in your journal, you're going to make a little chart that looks like this. It's just 4 little boxes. Conflict, climax, resolution, but I've added an extra box. So you're going to draw this in your journal, 4 boxes, write the words. If you need to pause the video right here while you draw this in your journal, go ahead and pause, draw this in your journal, and then come back. So, remember the conflict? What was the conflict? The rabbit and the tortoise, the hare and the tortoise, both thought they could win a race. So that happened in the very beginning, right? They decided to have a race. So, just write that in there. Hare and tortoise decide to race. Hare and tortoise decide to race. Now remember, you start your sentence with a capital letter and you end it with a period. So that's the very beginning, our roller coaster starting up the hill. Hare and tortoise decide to have a race. Now we're at the top, the climax. Hare falls asleep. And then what happens? Hare falls asleep. And tortoise passes him up. Passes him. Remember, that's the top of our roller coaster. Hare falls asleep, tortoise passes him. Now we're coming down the side. The resolution. What was the resolution of our story? What happens in the end? Tortoise wins the race. But there's another important piece to the resolution. Remember? Tortoise won the race, and then what did it say? Tortoise and hare were friends for the rest of their lives. So even though they had a conflict, they still remained friends. Tortoise wins the race. Just like that. Tortoise wins the race. That's our resolution. Now let's talk about this last box right here. The setting. You guys know what setting is. We've been talking about it, talking about it, and talking about it. Setting is where the story takes place. Where did this story take place? Where were they? Were they at school? I didn't hear anything in the story about a school. Were they at the gym? No. Were they in the forest? Where the tortoise and the hare both live? Yes, that's the setting. They were in the forest. They talked about trees. They were strolling through the forest. So that's that simple. Setting, the forest. That is where our whole drama took place, was in the forest. And they never changed scenes, did they? There wasn't a scene 1 or a scene 2 like there is in dramas sometimes. The whole story was set in the forest. So I want you to do this in your journal and take a picture and send it to me so I can see your completed chart in your journal. Good luck, guys.